Yeah, I like the way you do this here. Reach, gonna crank it like a chainsaw. Yeah, I like the way you do this. Scoop, pull, like it like a chainsaw. Kick, right, together. Open, rip, crop, and hands up here, chainsaw. Here, and right knee, and left knee, and you're gonna get behind her. Left knee, and then we go here, reach, and then make you sweat, cartwheel. Okay, and then squat here, 1 and 2 and 3, and then you go Skeletor, Sigmore, down, chainsaw. Watch and learn, up, left, up, right. I'll turn with this foot up, turn, burn, down to the knee, and break it like a chainsaw. Here, kick it up, and then plank. Then you go over with the walk over.